Hello everyone, it's Neil from Wavy Tunnel PRO, and today I'd like to point out a trading opportunity on the pound USD, which has been brought to our attention by our unique combination of indicators and our scanner. First of all, let's go to the scanner, and the scanner points us to the trade initially, and here it is on the pound H1. Our scanner, the number we're particularly interested in from our scanner is this one, and it's telling us that we have a trading opportunity that is available to us to go short. That's why it's in red. I won't say any more about the scanner right now, except that what looks like just a combination of numbers is very easy to learn how to read. We just read one column at a time, and this tells us where the high probability trades are. This one is scanning all the charts from the M1 up to the H1. We could have included the H4, the daily, the weekly, but not on this particular scan. And it's looking at, I think, something of the order of 21 different currency pairs. So it's scanning a lot of charts. Yeah, well over 100 charts, and continually looking for high probability trading opportunities. It does the donkey work for us. Anyway, enough of that. That's where we start. Then we go to the actual chart. Here's the chart. And this is telling us, we said it was telling us there was an opportunity to trade short. It is. The short trade is down like this. It's going lower down until we get another one of these on the bottom side. A purple arrow inside a yellow diamond pointing upwards. So our job is just to find where the end of this move up is so that we can sell it. Okay, so that's the trade. Let's look at it in a little bit more detail. The trade means that the best place, the safest place to put our stop is the spread above that high. So obviously, that's a long way off at the moment. You would need a big account to be able to trade it, and it wouldn't be spectacular in terms of profit. But the higher this goes on the retrace, the nearer to that we come, and the more attractive the trade is. Right, let's talk about our second opportunity for a stop loss. When we get to the end of this move up and the market starts moving down again, we can, if we're confident we've reached the top, we can put our stop above the end of the retrace. And in that case, we have quite a tight stop. Now, there's always the risk of this coming down and going higher because we didn't quite calculate the end of the retrace properly. But that's okay, we just go in again. And the stop is where it does eventually stop on this retrace. So that's the trade with the opportunity for the stops. Now, the fortunate thing for us is that on this occasion, we can move up to our 4-hour chart. And here it is. And this chart is telling us that the market, well, first of all, it's telling us the market is going to go up for a red diamond up here. I don't have a diamond to draw with, but I can do a red blob. And then it's telling us that from the top here, we're due to come down below these two black lines for, now then, let's try and draw that as well. A yellow diamond with a grey arrow. I don't have grey to draw with, I'll do it in brown, pointing up. That's grey. Okay. That's what we expect from this chart. That's what it's telling us. That's what the high probability is. It's very unlikely to do anything else. Now, obviously it can fail, but if we traded 100 of these situations and stuck to the rules, then our account would have increased in value. Our balance would have gone up, we'd have made money. So for the odd one that fails, it doesn't matter. There's no such thing as 100% guarantee in trading. But this is very close to it. So that's what we expect. Up for a red diamond, down for a grey arrow in a yellow diamond. And that, if you think about it, is the same move as the 1 hour chart coming down here for one of these purple arrows in a yellow diamond at the bottom. Remember, we looked at that on the 1 hour chart. That's where we came from. And it's that move down there. It looks a lot smaller on the 4 hour chart, of course, but it's the same move. So that tells us that we certainly have not reached the top of this retrace until after the 4 hour chart has got its upper red diamond. Now it might appear and then it might move to the right. Might appear on a wave on an awesome peak and then move to the right for some divergence. That's quite possible. Best seen on the hourly chart. But nevertheless, we don't really need to be going short until we get that upper red diamond. Now, on the 1 hour chart, we don't need to be going up. We don't know that we've got to the end of this move up until after we have a grey arrow in a yellow diamond up at the top here somewhere. So if you get the red diamond on the 4 hour chart, but you still do not have the grey diamond in the grey arrow in the yellow diamond on the 1 hour chart, you know it's got further to go, and vice versa. So all the way along, our charts are telling us what to do and how to do it. Now, fortunately for us at Wavy Tunnel Pro, we also have the ability to set alerts based on the appearance of these diamonds. So we could set those alerts and then forget all about this until our alert pings off. And if we use the features in MT4, we can send those alerts to our mobile device very easily. So we can just set those alerts and relax. Now we have further confirmation of this trade by looking at the daily chart. And the daily chart is telling us that we should at least go down for a red diamond. This green candle on the daily chart is the retrace we were talking about. On the 4-hour chart, it's going up for a red diamond. On the 1-hour chart, it's going up for a grey arrow in a yellow diamond. On here, we might see a blue diamond. We might not. But the point is, this chart, when you know how to interpret it, is telling us we're coming down for, at the very least, a red diamond. We may even get a yellow one. So all three charts are telling us the same thing. That makes us very happy. And I'm more than happy to share that information with you. So please follow this. Yeah, see what happens for yourself. And if you're impressed, if you want to know more about how this works, then there are some contact details at the end of the video. Thank you very much. Good luck. See you on the next video. Bye.